Namaste, this is Mithu from DEL48, or should I say Chef Mithu, because today I'm going to teach you my two most favorite drinks, Badam Milk and Sweet Punjabi Lassi. So let's take a look at the ingredients. Here we have with us a glass of milk, some sugar. Now if you're health conscious, you can skip this step or add it a little less, but it's up to you. We have some nuts, so this is totally according to your preference. We have some peeled almonds that we soaked overnight, and here we have with us a very special ingredient called saffron. It is also known as kesar, and it is a very powerful spice which has a lot of antioxidants in it. So let's start the cooking process. First, we are going to start heating up the milk. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I've also prepared some saffron milk by adding milk to saffron. And now I'm going to make a paste out of these soaked almonds. Look, I have prepared the almond paste and it will look like this. I'm going to add it in. And I'm also going to mix the saffron milk that we just prepared. So mix it all and come look, see how beautiful it has changed into. Amount of nuts on top, because we literally cannot have enough of this. And the badam milk is ready to serve. So let's start making the sweet Punjabi Lassi. Cannot wait. So here we have a bowl full of yogurt, some sugar, saffron again, your choice of nuts, and some cardamom powder. So we have the yogurt in the bowl. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon of sugar in it, half a glass of water, and then we are going to churn it until it becomes really smooth in consistency. So for a nice touch of Indian flavor, we are going to add the cardamom powder on top and our favorite saffron again. Let's whisk it again. Yes. Do you see this nice foam on top? Oh my god, this is the best part. So we're going to garnish it with nuts again. Yay! The sweet lassi is ready. So the drinks are finally ready, and these drinks have a very special place among Indian hearts, so you've got to try it. What are we waiting for? Let the tasting begin. So I'm having the badam milk first. It has a really nutty and creamy flavor to it, which I really love. And my mom used to make this for me right before school, and I haven't left it ever since. So ideally you should have 7 almonds in your diet every day because it promotes brain health, but if you have it with milk, then it's even better. Now the lassi. Refreshing as ever. So this lassi is my summertime favorite, okay? It is made in all Indian households, so after a long hot day at work, this lassi will literally save you. Make sure you try it. So why don't we make the use of the extra time that we have in our hands and do all the things that we didn't have time to do? So I hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more such videos from DEL48, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!